Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Thursday, March 23rd. The time is 2 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of Ethereum. This is a 2-hour time frame. We could see we ended wave 2 here at 1372 and this one ended with 3 okay at around 1844, and now we are doing this wave 4 pullback. You can see in the right side is green and up, meaning our bias is to the upside for Ethereum. And we are doing a 3 waves pullback so far. We got this A leg here which looks like a diagonal right? If you draw a diagonal trend line, it will look like this. And we have the P rally completed, or P corrective rally. So now we are going down, possibly in the C leg. Now we have already hit the 100% extension, C equal to the A. So technically we could be finished already, but there is still a possibility of one more marginal low to finish a 5 ways down within the C leg. Now of course if it rallies from here, then you can kind of try to force this to be a WX. So you can call this, let's say, W here, X here, and Y, right? And then call this W like this, right? Just to give you another option, if we don't see any further downside, you can call this W, and then you can break down the subdivision here into a 3 swing. So from here to here is a W in a lower degree in a blue, and this is X in blue, and this is Y in blue, right? But for now we are calling this like it is, with another possible move for wave 5 to finish the C leg, and then from this area that we highlight in the blue box, we can then extend higher again to a new high above 1844, the previous high here. Okay, now I think the more important level here for us is the 1.618 extension here, 1644. So as long as we don't continue to go down into the 161.8, then the chances are we're gonna extend higher, or we're gonna rally in 3 waves at least from this area. Okay, so again from here, as long as we don't break below 1644, we can start to find support soon and extend to new high. Okay, now of course there is a option where this is only ending W instead of ending your entire wave 4. This could be your W, and then you have a corrective rally X, and then you go down again in the Y to finish the wave 4 before higher again. So that possibility always is there, but for now, because remember, if the right side or if the trend is up, then that means the pullback is always going to be in the sequence of 3 swing or 7 swing. We got the 3 swing here, so it can become 7 down the road, but then 3 swing typically is going to find support first, at least for a 3-ish rally from this area here. Okay, so that is the update here for today, guys. And as always, if you want to get more updates on any other cryptos, stocks, ETF, Forex, commodities, you can check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video, and I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.